Let's see how much difference the Carnewal exhaust makes. Oh, and by the way, I locked the sensitivity on the microphone to make sure that any differences in volume got captured properly. First, here's a cold start with the stock Cayman exhaust. And now the Carnewal exhaust. Not a huge difference, but the Carnewal exhaust is a bit lower in tone, a bit louder, and a little bit throatier sounding. Let's see how they sound when revving the engine. Let's try a drive-by. Again, pretty close. And finally, a pull away. So I think we can safely say that the sound is different, and I think it's improved, but it's not a dramatic difference. Now, just as a side note, Gert recommended putting 50 to 100 miles on the car, give the chance to let the ECU do any adapting that it needed to do. And so I put 100 on the car before we did any of this testing. Going beyond just the sound, well, what about the performance? And to do that, I checked the 0 to 60 times using my Draghi performance monitor.